Hello friends. In this video I will show you how to make YouTube channel. Welcome to ZS Tech Pro channel. First of all, open YouTube and click on create a channel. Write the name of your channel, which depends on your channel type, like gaming and tech channel. It is possible to change the name after you have set it. You have to turn on the two-step verification of your Gmail account.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Two-step verification is turned on. Add recovery email to your Google account. Open YouTube Studio and click on Customize Channel. Click on Settings. Click on Upload Defaults. Write tags for your channel.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Then go to Advanced Setting. And select the category of your channel. Select the video language. I select the English language. Click on the permission. In future, if your channel is growing, you have to select the one who can view or edit your channel videos. YouTube allow you to block the abuse comments on channel. Click on Customization. You have no video, so don't select the channel trailer. Select Features section for your videos. Click on Add section and select the sequence of your videos. Click on Branding. Select the logo of your channel. Also upload the banner image of your channel. Go to basic info and write the channel description. Copy the channel and open the new tab and paste the URL of channel in search bar. Add social apps links to your channel. Add email to your contact info. Publish the setting. All the setting of channel is done. Thank you for watching.